How can you determine if a number is divisible by 3? Let's take a look at the rule. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. I'm going to start by just writing out some multiples of 3. So we'll start with 3, 6, 9, 12. Do you see I'm just adding 3? I'm skip counting by 3s. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, you get the idea. So those are multiples of 3. Sum is the result of an addition problem. So we need to determine if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. So let's look at some of our examples. Now this process is a little bit longer, so we're not even going to practice with these examples. We're going to just focus on these. And I can actually tell you that when you try these, they're not divisible by 3. All right, so let's look at this example here. We need to add the digits together. So 3 plus 5 gives us 8. And then we take 8 and we add 8 and we get 16. And then we take 16 and we add 6 and that gives us 22. 22 is not a multiple of 3. So that means that 3,586 is not divisible by 3. In fact, if you divided 3,586 by 3, you would get a remainder. All right, 510. Let's try this one. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus that 0 is still 6. 6 is a multiple of 3, so that means that 510 is divisible by 3. So if you would divide 510 by 3, you would not have a remainder. It would go in perfectly. So 3 goes into 5. I'm just going to show you. 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down the 1. Whoops. That'd be 21. 3 goes into 21 7 times. 3 times 7 is 21. Bring down that 0. 3 goes into 0 0 times. And there's nothing left to bring down and no remainder. 510 divided by 3 gives you 170. So we're able to divide it and there was no remainder. So 510 is divisible by 3. Ooh, let's try the next one. All right, so let's do some of this in our head. 2 and 1 makes 3. 9 and 4 makes 13. 9 plus 1 would be 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. All right, let's add the next series up. 3 and 13 is 16, plus 10 is 26, plus 1 is 27. So when you add all of those digits together, you get 27, and 27 is a multiple of 3, so 21,949,110 is divisible by 3. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 is not a multiple of 3, so 52 is not divisible by 3. All right, let's try this next one. 8 plus 6, we get 14. If we add the 4's together, that would be 8. If we add the 2 plus the 0 plus the 7, that would give us 9. I'm adding this in sections because there's just so many numbers, it's easy to make a mistake. All right, so I'm going to add 8 and 9 to make 17. And then I'm going to add the 14 and the 17. And we get, 7 and 4 is 11, carry the 1, 1, 2, 3. So we get 31 for our sum. So when you add 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 7, you get 31, and 31 is not a multiple of 3, so you cannot divide, well, you can divide it by 3, but you'd have a remainder. 8,644,207 is not divisible by 3 because the sum was 31. All right, last. 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 5 is 18. And 18 is a multiple of 3, so 945 is divisible by 3. So all I did was I added 9 plus 4 plus 5 to get a sum of 18, and the sum is a multiple of 3, so that's why 945 is divisible by 3. Hopefully that helps you.